You are looking at this 2020 iPad Pro. If you believe the ads, this device is already obsolete. Apple is talking about OLED display, M5 chips, and Apple Intelligence. They want you to feel like your screen is too dim and your chip is too slow. But here's the reality. Your daily apps, they are running smoothly. Your workflow, it hasn't skipped a bit. If you use your iPad for watching videos, text editing, and administrative works, the short answer to should I upgrade is a no. Hey everyone, I'm Ken, an AI engineer who loves tech. Today I'm going to show you why this 5-year-old iPad is still an ultimate tool for programmers. And for 90% of us, the M5 upgrade is still an expensive luxury. Let's be super clear, there's a divide in the iPad world. On the one side, we have the media creators. If you are a video editor or a pro photographer or a 3D artist, go buy the M5. The OLED display and that massive GPU will literally pay itself in your time save. If you're a student, a programmer, or an engineer, your task isn't about pushing pixels. It's about pushing data into your brain or into production. For us, the 2020 iPad is still in its prime. With iPadOS 26, this thing handles 99% of my daily tasks without breaking a sweat. Let's talk about AI. Local development on an iPad, no matter the model, is a pipe dream. Even a 16GB M5 iPad cannot run a 3 billion parameter model without hitting a wall. My heavy lifting happens on remote clusters. I don't need a lot of local RAM. I need a stable connection to my VRAM. What I'm using is Neo Server. It's instant. I check my logs, monitor temperatures, and restart services with one tap. For programming, I'm using NeoVim directly in the terminal, and the best part, it works with Claude support. And here's the kicker. The typing experience on this old iPad is almost identical to the new ones, except I don't have to pay another $499 just to fit a slimmer iPad body. The power of M5 is invisible here. It doesn't make my code run faster, it just makes my wallet feel lighter. Now, the iPadOS 26 is controversial. Some call it a nightmare, I call it homecoming. On this 11-inch frame, the new cursor and the windowing design feel natural. I can code in my terminal and have my documentation open right next to it. I don't have to fight with Stage Manager anymore. It just works. And the best part, it doesn't kill the battery too much. I can still go on a day with my work without hunting a USB-C cable. We're talking enough about work. What about your life outside of work? For videos and casual gaming, the 2020 Pro has a secret weapon, 120Hz Pro Motion. This is the features that matters for feel of the device. High refresh rate make animation feel alive. Yes, the M5 iPad Pro has OLED blacks, but for YouTube and Instagram, that's a marginal gain. And let's be real about gaming. I am an AI engineer. I don't have a whole 4 hours to play a AAA game. I only have like 10 minutes between meetings. My big titles are Clash of Clans and Pokemon Go. This iPad runs them perfectly. It's a mature, reliable tool that doesn't demand my attention with gimmicks. If you are still rocking a 2020 or even 2018 iPad Pro, don't let the marketing get to you. Drop a comment below. I want to see what's your workflow and how you rock them today. I've linked my NeoVim setup in the description if you want to turn your iPad into your SSH development tool. Until then, I will catch you in the next one. See you.